So number 3, we're going to go ahead and look at mowed 3 yards for $24. So remember, your cost will always be on the top. Your money will be on the top because you want to divide, you want to know how much it is going to be per item. So we're going to go ahead and label it. So this is going to be your dollars. So I'm going to put dollars. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger because I can't write on that. Okay, so dollars. And then this is going to be yards. And then what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to go ahead and put the amount on the side. So let me make this smaller. There you go. So then this is going to be $24 and 3 yards. Now remember, for unit rate, we're going to do dollars and yards. So it's 24 over 3. My scale factor is going to be divided by 3 because I want the 3 to be 1 yard, because unit rate is for 1. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. So that means the unit rate is $8 for each yard mowed. So from here on, so 4, 5, and 6 you're doing on your own. Make sure that you're doing this and following the way I did mine, and this should give you 100 on it. So make sure you write this in on number 3.